Hello my wonderful people out there. Once again, welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony. In this video, we're looking at percentages. And we're looking at questions that fall under percentages a child can easily solve. No matter the question that comes under percentages, a child can easily tackle it. Let's look at the first question, which says, we should express the following as fraction in their lowest term. This is 75%. We are asked to express 75% as fraction. Now, a child needs to know that if a number has percentage, this is a sign of percentage. If you see something like this, it's a sign of percentage. If a question has percentage on it, a child should divide by 100. But if a question has no percentage, just a normal number, a child should multiply by 100 under percentage. A question has percentage, divide by 100. A question has no percentage, multiply by 100. With this, a child can easily tackle any question under percentage without being confused. Okay, let's quickly look at number 1. 75% to fraction. This is the same thing as 75% all over 100%. So percentage can easily cancel percentage, where we have 75 all over 100. Percentage have cancelled percentage. Now, look at 75, this is 100. We should reduce it to their lowest term. So this is same thing as dividing here by 5, dividing by 5. My writing is kind of a bit tiny. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So we have 75 divided by 5. Look, 7 divided by 5. 5 will go into 7 once. Remember 2. Place the 2 behind 5, it becomes 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 5 into 75 is 15. Now look at this, 10 divided by 5 is 2. No remainder. 0 divided by 5 is 0. So we have 15 over 20. Still reduce it again by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. And 20 divided by 5 will give us 4. Our answer is 3 all over 4. Now let's look at something similar. This is 33 whole number, 1 over 3%. This question has percentage. We divide by 100. So this is, but before then we have to change it. This is a mixed fraction or a mixed number. We change it to improper fraction by multiplying the whole number with the denominator, then adding the answer with the numerator. So 33 times 3 will give us 99. 99 plus 1 will give us 100. We have 100 all over the denominator. This is percent. Divide by 100% all over 1. Because I told you, anytime you see percentage, you divide by 100%. Anytime the number has no percentage, you multiply by 100. So, this is a fraction dividing another fraction, a number. You do the reciprocal. The reason why I put all over 1 so that it will be clear to a child that this is 100 over 3 dividing 100 over 1. It doesn't change the 100 because 100 divided by 1 will still give us 100. So we do the reciprocal by writing this one first. This is 100 over 3% multiply. Now, changing division to multiplication, 1 will go up, 100 will come down. Like I said before, this percentage will cancel this percentage. Now, we have 100 multiplied by 1 and 3 multiplied by 100. Looking at it, we have 100 can actually cancel out. 100 here 1, 100 here 1. So on top we have 1 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 1. 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Our answer is 1 over 3. We have 23 whole number, 3 over 4. My vulnerable viewers should try number 3, the Roman figure 3, as their exercise. 23 whole number, 1 over 3. Let's look at the second part of the question. We say we should express the following fraction as percentage. Just like we got the answer before, we are asked to change this type of answer back to percentage. Like I told you before, this one has no percentage. So we multiply by 100. There's no percentage on it, so we multiply by 100. This is same thing as times 100 over 1. 3 over 5 multiplied by 100 over 1. So 3 times 100 will give us 300 over 5. So let's divide. 5 into 30. 5 into 30 it will give us 6. And 0 divided by 5 is 0. Remember to put your percentage. I forgot to put my percentage here. So this, our answer is 60%. Changing 3 over 5 to percentage is 60%. The same thing goes here. We multiply by 100 all over 1 because 1 has no effect on it. So 2 times 100 will give us 200. 200% all over 3. Now let's quickly divide. 20 divided by 3 or 3 into 20, it will go 6 times. Remainder 2. Remainder 2, we place the remainder 2 behind the last 0. It becomes another 20. So 20 divided by 3 again is 6. Remainder 2 over 3%. Let me quickly erase this one because of our answer. This is 63 whole number, 2 over 3%. And we have the third one as 3 over 8. I would like my wonderful viewers to also try this one. Remember, it has no percentage. You know what you're supposed to do, like what we did here. Now, let's look at another one. Change the following decimals to percentage. Obviously, this is a decimal number, but it has no percentage on it. The first thing to come to your child mind is to multiply by 100. Anytime a number given to you and there's no percentage on it, multiply by 100 to solve it. But if your question has a percentage, we divide by 100. So we multiply by 100. 100%. Now, 0.75 multiplied by 100. The quickest way is, how many zeros make up 100? We have 2 zeros. So we have to move this decimal point. We have to move this decimal point in 2 places. Meaning that 1, 2. We move 1, 2. My decimal point comes outside. So this is same thing as 0.75%. If you like, the 0 should be there. But if you like, the 0 should not be there because 75 is the same thing as 0.75. So let's look at the Roman figure 2. This number has no percentage and we are asked to change this decimal number to percentage. We multiply by 100%. 2 zeros make up 100. So you're moving this decimal point into 2 places. 1, 2. Look at my decimal point now. I've moved this decimal point 1, 2. It comes here. This is same thing as 34.5%. As quick as possible. Look at the third example, the third question. My wonderful viewers will also try this one. Now let's look at number 4 question, which says we should find the value of 5% of 4 naira. 5%. Now this 5 has percentage on it. So remember, we say if a question has percentage, we divide by 100%. Of means multiplication. Multiplied by our 4 naira. This is 4 naira, 0 kobo. This is a decimal point. I can put all over 1. It doesn't do anything. Now, having looked at it, we have 5% multiplied by 4 naira all over 100 multiplied by 1. Now, percentage can cancel percentage, no more percentage. So we have 5 times 4 will give us 20. 100 times 1 will give us 100. Now, we can easily reduce 0. The last number here is 0 and last number here is 0. We can easily reduce. It becomes 0, will cancel 0. So we're left with 2 over 5, 2 over 10. We can divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. This is a proper fraction, but we can change it to decimal because of our naira. So into using long division, we can draw our line where we have 5 is outside and 1 is inside. 5 into 1 or 1 divided by 5, it cannot. We do 3 things. We put 0 here, 1. We put decimal point here, 2. We add 0 to it, to the 1. Now we do it again. 5 into 10 is now 2. That 2 multiplied by 5 will give us 10. 10 take away 10 is 0. So our answer is, we first of all put our naira sign, 0.2. In case the option is in decimal place, or the decimal as a decimal, or if the answer is in this form, it's either is 1 over 5 or 0.2, depending on the option given to you. Let's quickly look at the second example. Let's quickly look at the second question. 12 whole number 1 over 2% of 200. This is a mixed fraction or a mixed number. Anytime you see a mixed fraction, a mixed number, first and foremost, change it to improper fraction by multiplying. 12 multiplied by 2 will give us 24, plus 1 will give us 25 over 2%. Now, because of this percentage, we are dividing by 100. Permit me to put divide by 100 all over 1. Of means multiplication of 200. 200 naira, 0 kobo. Now, remember to write our percent under 100. Now, we have 25 over 2%. This is division. Anytime you see fraction like this, something all over something, divide by something, the first thing to come to your mind is to do the reciprocal. First and foremost, write the first one the way it is. Then division change to multiplication. But 1 has to go up, then 100 comes down. Percent. I can confidently cancel my percentage. Then multiply by 200 naira. Now, we have 25 over 2 times 1 over 100 multiplied by 200. I can stylishly put all over 1. Does not change anything. Now, can I reduce? Yes. 100 here, 1. 100 into 200 is 2. 2 can cancel. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 1. We have 25. We are left with 25 here. Multiplied by 1 is left here. Multiplied by 1 here. All over 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 to simplify. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 1 is 25. So answer is 25. All over 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Multiplied by 1 is 1. So answer is, let's put our naira sign first, is 25 naira, 0.0 kobo. I would also like my wonderful viewers to try Roman figure 3. 2 whole number 1 over 2% of 5 naira. If you look at it, all the third examples, all the third questions from each section, we have the first one here, 23 whole number 3 over 4% to change to fraction and reduce to the lowest term. And also number 3, which is 3 over 8 as a fraction, change it to percentage. Then the third part of the question, which says 0.45 as a decimal number, you change it to percentage. Then lastly, 2 whole number 1 over 2% of 5 naira. And don't forget to send in your answer in our comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Bye-bye.